So in order to join TianDe company and start to work with us, there's two ways that you can do it. There is a way that requires no investment, which is simply allows you to enter the company, register for free, and continue with your discount and with your shopping. So, so this is the way that that can be done. But what we have came up with our team, that we came up with a starter pack which consists of several products, and simply because we think that these products will get you going and will bring you the most custom, the most money at the beginning of your journey with TianDe. So we have chosen a set of products that will help you to achieve the most success when you start working with us. So I'm going to concentrate on that. Number two, normally the company doesn't require you to invest any money. You can register for free and then you're entitled to a discount. But we think if we want to achieve great success, we should start with experiencing products first, and with showing the products to other people. So we're going to concentrate on the optional starter pack that we have chosen for you, which you may purchase if you want to start working with us. So in the starter pack you are going to get following products. You're going to get a set which is called a Masterclass, and Masterclass is a spa treatment for hands. And what we do here is that we have got a peeling. So we are going to get one of the peelings, one peeling, one body salt, and one hand cream. And simply because when you start working with TianDe, this is one of the best way of showing the products to people. Instead of showing the catalog and the brochure, there's so many brochures on the market. This will show people the effect of the product itself, instead of actually showing the brochure and answering all the questions that are not relevant to actual products. So we show the product to people first, and then we speak to them to see to ask them what else can we help you with, because he will be most interested with the product. So this is what we do. We do a masterclass treatment, and then in the pack what we've also decided that we are going to offer you a toothbrush, which is one of our very good products for you to try and to experience the TianDe toothbrush. You're going to get also one toothpaste, which will allow you to experience the quality of our products as well. There's also a demonstration that you can do, which simply shows the effect of our toothpastes on our teeth. So this is also why we have chosen this. If you wish to continue, if you wish to develop with TianDe and show the products to people, this is also the experiment, the demonstration that you can do. So we have chosen the Masterclass set, which is this one, and we have chosen a toothbrush and a toothpaste. Also, to get you started, we have chosen 3 catalogs. Simple reason for that is basically because you need to have brochures to show to people what we have. So after showing these experiments, after doing the masterclass treatment to your potential customer, we are going to offer the brochure to show more products and talk about more products. This is simply very important because this will show the effect of the products and the quality of the products that we have, instead of actually talking about them. So, so this set it's all in retail, in wholesale prices for you, and it is only £30, including delivery. So £30 for all of these products, which is already a wholesale price for you. So this is the investment that we think is affordable to start the business. As we say, this is an optional starter pack, but this is the way that we have been doing for years. And this is the way that has brought a lot of success to many people across across the world. Okay, so now the masterclass set. Once you've done the treatment, the set usually costs approximately £20, more or less. So depending on the cream, but the one that you have will cost approximately £20. So what happens there? Let's just put masterclass here. So this is the masterclass set. Once we have shown the products to people, to potential customer, this costs approximately £20, and it is very good price, because most of people will say that the masterclass set costs about 30, 40, 50, even £70. Some people will say even 90. So ours is only £20, and it is all very high quality and natural products as well. So the reason for that is that company TianDe invests in people, not in the advertising, so it is pressurizing on quality of service and quality of products instead of the advertising. So we don't pay for the brand, we actually pay for the product. So masterclass set costs £20 approximately on average, as we say, depending on the hand cream. And let's say that you have shown this to 5 people. So you've got 5 people that you have presented this to. So that all comes to approximately £100. Now, when you are a distributor, you are entitled to 35% discount on products. 35% is a lot of. It's a great discount, because most of the companies will offer you about 20-25%. So 35% off after registration, or after purchasing the starter pack if you wish. This will entitle you to have 35% off on all products. There is no monthly turnover or nothing like this required. The only thing you have to do is to purchase one thing in the first 3 months, and then you can purchase another item, any item you wish, in the next 6 months, and that will keep you as that will continue your registration. So the rules are very, very light and very flexible. This is very much for anybody, and business for everybody. So 35% off. Which simply means that if you have found these 5 people who would be interested in this set, from that 35% times 100. Obviously it equals £35, and this is what you get for yourself. So you are this is going to you as a distributor. So this is your income, 35% on all of the products. It is very, very good markup and very good commission that you can generate. Very easy to recommend products, very affordable price, niche on the market, etc. So very easy business. So that's what it is. And now, what do you need as a distributor? Really, as a distributor, you need your tools. And tools are basically you've got products to work with, and once you've got those products, you need a place to get them. Where to get them? Where to get products, which we also have already secured that position. So we got products, we got where to get products, and you need information. That's what you need when you want to start working with us. Information. Sorry. So information, products, where to get products, and information, and basically how it works now. So now you have your tools, which is your starter pack, and what you do with this, and you work with that, you show the products to people. So you do demonstrations, and then you show the catalog, or you use the catalog as your tool, which simply will introduce people to the range of products that we have. Now, so this is really the end of that. So the demonstrations will be shown to you on a separate occasion. You can see them on our videos or in person if you meet one of our representatives as well, who will train you and show you how to do these. So this is really it with the starter pack section. But number 2, where to get products. So there is a shop that we have created specially for our distributors, which simply is www.partner.tiandeshop.co.uk. And on that shop you will be able to purchase products with the discount, and you will be able to choose options delivery, and that will be delivered to you. So this is the shop where you as a distributor make purchases with the 35% discount. Later on, what happens then, there's a couple of options for you. This is quite interesting because there is option number 1. Option number 1 here allows you to do the following. So for example, there is yourself. There is a distributor and there is a customer. So this customer comes to a distributor and he pays him money. So distributor deals with customer. So what you do as a distributor, you can go to our shop, you can pay less 35%, and then later on what you can do, you can order products for yourself if the customer is in your area, and you can give the products to the customer. So this is quite good. This is normal way of doing things. So number 2 is option number 2, which is as follows. There is a distributor and there is a customer. And obviously you deal with the customer as a distributor, he pays you money, and then what you do is you go to the shop and then you ask the shop, or you pay minus 35%, you pay to the shop and you ask the shop to send it directly to the customer. So what happens here, that if you've got customers in different parts of the country or in the city, or on the other side of the city, you are able to purchase the products and with the discount and send it to him directly. So this is what option is available for you, because you can have actually customers across the whole country and customers in different parts of the world as well. So because we can send the products to any country of the world really. So this is how it works. There is also option number 3, which is very, very interesting option. So let's say that you are a distributor and you've got a range of customers or a group of customers. Let's say you have 50 customers. Okay? So you have 50 customers and you have to deal with them. You have to make phone calls and you have to speak to them. You have to take orders, which takes quite a lot of time. So you have to listen to the codes and write them down and do all sorts of things, use the order forms as well. So what happens here, that you will not be able to manage more. Maybe you will be if you will do mass management system, but that will take you a long time. So what we have came up with is that there's something which is called an affiliate. An affiliate program is something very, very good, very new. What it does is that there is a shop, simply, and there is a distributor, and there is a customer. So distributor finds a customer, and then customer says, okay, I want to purchase the product, can you sell this online? So what distributor says, okay, normally you say, I haven't got my online shop, so I cannot sell it online. But what you can do is that you can have an affiliate link, which I will explain what it is. You can send the customer to that link, and the customer goes to the online shop. And what happens is that if the customer will purchase the item through your link, you, as a distributor, from that purchase, you get a commission. So, in that system, customer is making purchases himself. So, what happens here, instead of having 50 customers, you could have 500 customers that would go to the shop directly through the referral link. You can even have 5,000 customers that will generate you a additional income if they make a purchase. So this is the system of referring customers to the shop through your link, and that will generate you commission. Instead of actually working with the customers directly, simply because they will be doing shopping by themselves. Now, how does that work? Because the shop will have to do all of the work, all of the customer service, and all of the packing of the parcels and returns and all of this. The shop is taking 10% of the discount goes to the shop. So you, as a distributor, are going to get 25% instead of 35%. So you're actually giving away 10% for the whole customer service. So if there is 5,000 people shopping, the shop, or we will be doing with them directly, you will not have to worry about them at all. You will not have to worry about explaining and doing the returns. So even though it is less, you can still make more money with more people shopping through the link. How does that work? You can have a link which will look like this: www.kate.tiandeshop.co.uk. Or you could have a link like this: London.tiandeshop.co.uk. Now, anyone who comes to that link, he will be able to redirected to our shop's page, and if he makes a purchase, then you get the commission. This is also if he will access this link once from his computer. He doesn't have to go to this link again. He will be remembered as your customer. He is registered as your customer for 365 days because of the cookie files on the computer. So 365 days after 1 year, you have to remind the customer to go to that link. Now, setup fee is £10 to set it up forever. There's no more recurring fees. So once this is paid, we will set up the referral link for you. And this is simply, this can be purchased at the partner TianDe shop. So this is where you go to affiliate product, and you purchase the product. Then we activate your affiliate link. You just need to give us information on what kind of link you want. So this is how it looks. These are 3 options for you, offered by TianDe shop exclusively, and this is where you get products, and these are the ways of how you can get the products from us. So the third step of the things that you really need as a distributor is information, and where to read about products, where to watch the videos and things like this. So there is a separate website of the shop, which is integrated with the shop, which will bring you information about products and business. So we've got biz.tiandeshop.co.uk. So it is www.biz.tiandeshop.co.uk, and this is where you go for information. So there will be a section which will call itself Start Here, and this will be where you will have testimonials of other people. You will have demonstrations of our products, and you will have all other important elements there. So what happens is that on this page you will be able to go to Start Here section. There will be most of series will be explained to you, So they will be described on the website. You'll be able to read about products and why the certain ingredients are used in the products. There will be also a business section, which will allow you to have a look at more business, what we do and why we do this, and why TianDe has succeeded so much over the years, etc., etc. So there will be some also business tools for you, which are still in development. So there will be business tools, so you will have all different presentations, Excel files and things like this, and there will be a lot of information there regarding business. So these sections are obviously still in development, and there is more and more coming to those sections. So product series, obviously there will be a FAQ section, which will be where you will see answers to frequently asked questions, and you will be able to access something which is called a learning center. A learning center will be a learning center or training center. This is a section where you will see all the videos about how to present our products, how to do master classes, which is demonstrations, and how to speak to the customer. And this is obviously the section which is still being in development. So this is going to be the learning center available for you as a distributor, and this will be exclusively done for you by TianDe Shop and our team working in the United Kingdom. So learning center will be a place, or is a place, where you can access the valuable information on how to succeed. There will be, as I say, how to do master classes, which is basically a demonstrations to other people to show the products. There will be a guide of the shop, which simply means how to you will find the information how to use the shop, how to send parcel to another customer, how to know if the product is going to be in stock. There is also all different options there on the shop. So this is going to be a guidance to you how to use our online shop. There will be more. There will be videos of how to speak to customers, how to do a normal section there as well. There will be a whole learning center which will be still in development. So there is an information page is there for you, where you can read and listen about some products, see how they work, where they come from, and ingredients of those products as well. So this is the information page, www.biz.tiandeshop.co.uk, and this is where you can find information about the product and the business. So now, after all this, you can easily and happily start working with TianDe and working with us, simply because you have, number one, you have tools which are products, but not only products, plus online platform. Really, this is something what is very extraordinary. You've got products, you've got online platform with all the customer service, live chat, etc., etc., where you can contact us anytime, and you've got products to work with. So you've got 35% discount on all of the products, which is very important, very high discount. And number two, you have information. Business page. This is where you will find all the information and everything that you need to know about business and how to start and how to speak to customers. If you cannot get in touch with the local representative, this is going to be your training center as well. So business page with training center. We are constantly improving our platforms, obviously. There is also constantly more videos coming and more information coming, but this is going to be enough for you to start. Also, we are looking for you to contribute with your own opinions as well. So the more people contribute, the more distributors contribute to this whole project, we are going to create a great team that will greatly succeed in United Kingdom and in Europe. So this is what will happen. This is what happens now. This is for you as a distributor. These are the tools that you can have, and these are the information that you can have free of charge, especially made for you by us. So there is no more elements that you need to start your business, because you've got your tools, you've got your products with the starter pack, which you may purchase with the online platform where you can get products, discount 35%, and information for the business. This is where you can learn and read about products, and that will get you going with TianDe business.